Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Ulloa. I am the principal of Lance Virtual Academy, and today we are collaborating and playing with drones at Montgomery Middle School.
Hello, my name is Catherine Velaquet, and I am one of the team members running this drone camp called Middle Schoolers Flying High with Drones. The purpose of this camp is to introduce students in a very fun, hands-on way to technology. But of course, we hide all of the other lessons. In other words, teamwork, leadership, that we talk about their strengths, we talk about values, and we talk about all of the amazing things that they have to offer this world, what their purpose is, and how they can use technology to make their community better. Today's event, which was the final competition event on how many points they can score, but the reality was how were they communicating and how were they able to persevere through all of the failures. Failures in the camp were absolutely told that they had to do because it takes failure in order for them to continue learning. During the camp, they also were able to not only learn about leadership, communication, but they also were able to see some guest speakers. We talked about different types of careers and how this drone technology is being implemented into the community. This camp is put together by the STEAM Ahead Foundation, but it is the actual volunteers and grants that we receive from Altrusa International of Chula Vista and 2 different Rotary clubs. So without them, these camps would not be possible. So thank you to them.